card games. And I'm sorry I didn't do a video in a long time. It's because our camera broke and all that stuff. And if you're hearing sound, my sister and my cousin are wrapping the Shopkins because there's going to be an upcoming video called Shopkins Pick Day. So stay tuned for that. So we're going to open one, but there is a giveaway. So the giveaway rules are be subscribed and thumbs up this video. It's super easy. We're going to pack. And there are lots of videos. If you like this video, make sure you give this a thumbs up and comment down below what video you want to see. So yeah. So now I'm gonna open these. So first, let's read at the back. There are 9 cards in every pack. Collect 48 common cards, 20 rare cards, 40 super rare cards, and 10 ultra rare cards. So that's a lot to collect. And these are going to be the other videos, so I have lots of cards. Oh wait, I have more. We've got a full case, so there's lots and lots of cards. So let me show you how much card it is. So there's lots of cards, so please stay tuned. I'm going to open all of these guys. Okay, so there's all of them, but today we're going to open one. So, let's get started. Woo! Go there, cards. Okay. Skizzes. I'm gonna open the blue one. I don't know, should I open the blue one or the green one? I think the people will like them. I mean, my subscribers will like them. Green one because there's a lion and powerful. And some of them will like this, but I'm sorry, I'm going to give this away because I think it's more powerful and I have lots of it. So, and I do have lots of this. Open this pack. Good 9 cards inside. I don't know what I'm going to get. Open this pack. Whoa, there are lots of cards. What is this? Is this an ultra rare? Seriously? It's rock, paper, scissors. Seriously? And you can see that shiny, I don't know. There's shiny, like, I don't know how to show you that, but it's shiny. So, they're rock, paper, scissors. I'm sorry about that, because they're talking disgusting, you know that. So, this is rock. I don't know if you can see, but this is rock. I'm going to show you scissors. So this is scissors. And let me show you paper. Yeah, this is paper. And I love the cool design. So, let me figure out. So, this is oh my god. This is a rare. Seriously, this is like a rare. So, the paper is there. Common. This is a common. Oh, now you can see the sparkly. Common. And all of them have them. Common. This is a common. Another common. Common. Oh wait, this is sparkle, but it's common. That's weird. What's in this? Oh, common. If you can read it. I don't know if you can see it right, but yeah. So this is a rare. And this is a rare. So, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you enter the giveaway, and the giveaway will end, wait, what's today's date? It's today's 11th. I'm not sure, let me check. Today's the 12th. So, the giveaway I think will end on the 18th. 18th, yeah. So make sure you enter it and you get a pack. And free shipping and international. So, please enter because I want to give all of my subscribers a pack. So, yeah. So, bye! Subscribe.